know about here. They're your standard types of headphones. Now, if you ever wanted to replace the ear tips on your Galaxy Buds Force Pros, this is also a very easy process too. Now, on the end of your Galaxy Buds Force Pros, you have these little ear tips that you have right over here. So what you can do is you can go through and kind of like peel these things off a little bit like this. Be careful not to like actually scratch it or tear them. You can kind of grab them and you can kind of take them off. So there's an easy way of kind of doing it. So typically what I do is I kind of unpeel this thing this way, and I kind of just try my best to kind of like peel this thing off this way. Maybe you can pry it off from the side. It took a little bit more time than I thought it was going to, but at this point you can kind of remove them this way, and then you can kind of align it back. So you can see right here you have these lining situations here. You do the exact same thing, you kind of just place them in right like that, and then it'll click into place, and you can peel this thing, kind of unpeel it or whatever, peel it back this way, and it'll be good to go, and you can basically put them back in your ear. So if you ever wanted to change them out, the box also has extra ear tips in case you want to change them out. You can also do it that way as well. So